Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add Facebook Messenger sales channel on Shopify. On Shopify, you can also add a Facebook Messenger sales channel. You can use the Messenger sales channel to let customers shop directly from conversations in Messenger and to respond to your customer's question in a single message thread. Customers can also receive automated notification in Messenger about their orders. There are a few eligibility requirements to use the Messenger sales channel. First is, you need to have a Shopify online store, and the store can't be password protected. You also need to have a Facebook account with an admin or editor role on a published Facebook page. Lastly, to send automated orders updates, you need to sell products in a currency supported by Facebook. Otherwise, customer can't opt in to order updates, although they can buy your products in Messenger chats with your online store. Now let us walk you through in adding Facebook Messenger sales channel on Shopify. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. What you need to do first is to access the Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account at www.shopify.com. Once you're in, click the plus button in line with the sales channel on the left. On the Add Sales Channel window, click the plus button of Messenger. It will then create a new sales channel on the left side. It will then let you know that you are about to update Messenger. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Update Sales Channel button. A new Messenger sales channel will be created. What you need to do next is to connect your Facebook account to your Shopify. Click the blue Connect Account button on the Messenger sales channel. It will open a pop-up window. What you need to do is to log into your account. If you're already logged in, then you'll be asked to continue to your account. Choose the page of your online store and click the Next button. Then, click the Done button again on the next page. It will then give you a confirmation page that you now have linked Messenger by Shopify to Facebook. Back on Shopify, to start selling on Messenger, select the Facebook page on the drop-down and select the Connect button. It will then give you a green confirmation telling you that you now have connected Messenger to your Shopify store. And that's it. That's how you add Facebook Messenger sales channel on Shopify. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!